As a human being, we always have something we worry about, we strive for, we want to attain. And sometimes that causes us emotional stress or feel beating ourselves up or stress over a situation that we feel like we can't control. And one of the things that helps me change and shift my state of mind and my energy is to think about the core principle in Eastern philosophy and the Upanishads, which is that the true self can never be broken, can never be harmed, can never be cut, cannot be burnt. It's indestructible. And so when you think about the things that happen in life, that moving movie of our life, there are times where our body is ill or that, it doesn't last forever, but you are not the body. Your heart can be broken, but you're not your emotions. Your mind can be filled with anxiety and worry, but you're not your mind. Remembering that you're the true self, that beyond all the experiences of life, there's a solid, pure part of yourself that is indestructible. If you think about a beautiful movie screen, a white, clean screen, and that movie screen is perfect, and we play upon that screen movies of romance, of drama, of horror, of challenges, of deceit, of war, and all these movies play on that screen. But when the movie ends and the movie's withdrawn, the screen is untouched by all those situations. Just like you, the purest part of yourself is indestructible. So it doesn't mean that you go out and you don't take care of your body. It doesn't mean that you don't go out and take care of your emotions and your mind. But it's in that attachment that someday everything's going to, go out the way exactly as you plan. And that resistance to accepting and learning from the ups and downs of life, that flexibility, knowing that no matter what happens, even the worst tragedy in the world, that there's some part of you that's untouched by it. And that part of you is everlasting and pure and good and of true love. So I just thought it would be a great message for you today. If you are striving to make your life line up out there and think, well, if everything lines up, if I have the more money in the bank, if I have that love of my life, or if I have a certain promotion or certain accolades or even, awards or people adoring me or just getting along with my kids, whatever it is, those things are secondary to who you really are. The true self doesn't need any of those things. Of course, we want to dance in the beauty and the drama of life, but we don't want to get caught up in it where we lose the gift and the beauty of just being alive.